Hello everybody. Today's sound is O. 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 Here we have a polar bear and there's lots and lots of snow all around him. And he sees a little pile of snow. And what he has to go is taking a deep breath. When he blows the snow and it all sprinkles up into the air and shimmers down. Oh, blow the snow. 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 Well done. Let's do some Fred talk. O as in O. Flow. O as in O. Slow. O as in O. Glow. O as in O. No. I know you're very good at this. So let's see what our special friends are today for O, blow the snow. O, special friends. O and a W make one sound, O. So we've got O, blow the snow. O, let's see if you can spot this and say the sound or the phrase. Ready? Well done, that was fantastic. I'm going to put the O sound into our speed sound pack now. Let's see if you can spot it. Ready? In it goes. When you see O, you point to it and say O. Don't forget to say all the sounds you see. Oh, well done, you found it. Let's try again. Oh, good work. Now let's read some words with our special friends O. So I'd like you to do special friends, Fred talk, then read the word. Remember, when I tap the word, you say special friend, you say the special friends. Then you Fred talk and then you read the word. Watch me. O. O. Low. Did you see how I did it without saying special friends Fred talk? Let's see if you can have a go by yourself. Low. Slow. Blow. Show. Snow. This sound makes n. So special friends, n and O. Fred talk. No. Well done. Now we're going to read some words with the sounds in that we already know. Don't forget, when I tap the word, you say the special friends, then you Fred talk, and then you read the word. Ready? Watch me. I. night, night. Let's see if you can do it. Night. Bright. Seen. Green. Say. Day. Well done. This time we're going to do special friends, Fred in head, and then read the word when I push it forward. Special friends, Fred in head. Well done. Well done. Let's see if we can just read the words now. Well done. Let's turn them aliens on. Boo! Special friends, Fred talk, then read the word. Well done. Excellent work. What a load of nonsense, them alien words. You've done great today. Well done. Don't forget, try and write some words down with the sound O and then send them on Dojo. If you can write a sentence with the sound O in 2, that would be great. Bye. See you tomorrow.